Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to verify X account and age. If you're getting age restrictions or content blocks on X, it's because your age needs to be verified, and here's how to do it. Firstly, launch the X app or visit the X website and then log in with your account credentials. Now tap your profile picture in the top left or top right corner and select Settings and Privacy. Go to your account, then Account Information. Make sure your birth date is correctly entered, and if it's missing or incorrect, update it before proceeding. If you're restricted from certain posts or searches like OnlyFans links or mature content, you'll see a Verify Your Age pop-up. Just tap Continue to start the verification process. You need to upload a government-issued ID, and you may also be asked to take a selfie for facial verification. This will be processed securely by Access verification partners. The review process can take a few hours to a couple of days. You'll receive a notification when your verification is complete. Once approved, you'll again regain full access to age-restricted posts and features. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.